Hello, this is a tutorial for my Lego puzzle box with a bonus box. Yeah, so an 8 by 4 plate by 6 plate, smooth pieces all the way here, leave 2 lines of studs here. Then up here, but 1 line. Okay, smooth pieces here, because here you wanna put 3 2x1s on each other. Doesn't have to be whole in it. And then 1x1 smooth here. Then 1 layer of bricks around here. Okay, so on the back you take 6x1, and then 2 2x1 stack like this. Excuse me for my English. Okay, here's a 4x1 with a 4x1 flat and a 2x1, but you can use a 6x1 on top here. Then it's technically 6x1, no, 5x1, 6x1 and 2x1 smooth here, so you can put it like this. The same thing on the other side. Alright, it has to be a hole on this side, doesn't need to be on this side. Okay, then you take a 6x2 with a 2x2 here, and a 4x1 smooth like this. I'm gonna put it like this. Then so you can put another 2x6 out here. Alright, then you take like this. Then you like this. Put the 2x1 there, and then this here. It's another 1x2 brick. Need to be a hole. 1x1 smooth, 2 1x1s, 1x1 smooth here. This you can slide this in if you want. Sometimes this puzzle box jams because it kind of broke inside. It can sometimes get broken, so yeah. Alright, so then I take 2 flat layers in the size 2x8 like this, and then you take a 1x2 and then 2 1x2 bricks on top. So when you wanna put it with 1 stud line inwards like this, so you get this space, if you know what I mean. Watch a tutorial instead of hearing me speaking. Okay, then the same 2 8x2 layers of flats, and then 1x2, and then a 1x2 brick. This is a 1x2 brick with, but it's flat because I didn't have any more like that. Okay, who cares? Put it on. And then kind of the same. Hope you can see. It's a 1x2 there, 2 1x2s. On this side, it's a 1x2 brick plus a 1x2 smooth. Place it like this, so the hole is at over the smooth piece. And take this kind of with a cross, or something like that, and you take this 3 brick or 3 stud long grey Technic piece, and a smooth piece on top. This is which you pull out. Okay. Yes. Then 2 2x2s and 1x2. You put 1x1 there and 2 2x1s. Like that. And then you put it on like this. Excuse me. Oh, nothing. Sorry. Then the same thing. Kind of. Just except it's a 1x2 brick and 1x1 there. Kind of reverse thing. Like this. Alright. Then up here you need 2 flat 2x4 layers, and then 1x2, 1x1 here, 2 1x1s here, here 1x1 smooth, under like this. You need a 2x2 smooth plate, tile, whatever. Slide it in like this, so you can, this corner here will be stuck in there. So this, okay, sorry, this will be up here. Like that. And then just put up, and there you go. I don't know if you... Okay. Mine is stuck, as usual. But, okay. Hopefully it will work for you. You can put boxes like this in there. I won't do that. I won't do a tutorial on that, I think. Yeah. Okay. Bye.